Very good.
I should probably stop biting everybody. They're getting really pissed at me.
Hey Joe, you see my yarn ball anywhere, man?
I'll go with a big yarn ball!
In ancient times, cats were once worshipped as gods, and they have not forgotten.
Who did this?
Are you enjoying your time? Yeah? Oh, that's a good boy. You're so
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Ragged!
Huh?
Stop!
Nope.
Regular deal or no deal, and turn it into this.
Eat a certain diet. This time I'm really just all about nourishing my body and eating the best foods to keep.
완전 걸어다주고 어떡해 놀랐네 괜찮니?
Littler ones, like just like journals. Yeah. Like, not journals.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Can I help you? Can I help you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Alright, so 3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed, buddy. That's what you get. You're not.
It's Whisper Wednesday.
He's all in.
He's all in.
He's all in.
How you doing? What are you? Ow!
这个都是你打下的江山啊！好被我狙了，喂，谁在这儿？我试试。
Listen, you watching your TV? What is it? You watching your... Oh, oh, oh! Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping at the piggy pond! What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Good morning, Snowball! Ow. Come here.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Kitty, you can hit her back. Not that many times.
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding? You got it. Put in it. Okay.
You can't go now.
sniffing her butt. Marley, stop sniffing your sister's butt. Ooh, is it gross? What's that face? Does it smell bad?
Get off the table now.